Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the app not working in Amazon Shopping app. If the Amazon Shopping app is not working on your phone, it can stop you from browsing, ordering, or tracking packages. And in 2026, the issue is usually caused by connection problems, outdated app version, or temporary glitches. The good news is that most of the time, it's very easy to fix. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to check your internet connection. Amazon needs a stable connection, so you're going to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data just by dropping this bar right here and choose the one that is faster and more reliable. You can also try the airplane mode on and turn it for 10 seconds, then off. This resets the network settings. And also make sure to test another app to confirm your internet works. Now, if your connection is unstable, the app may not load properly. You can also restart the app by opening the Recent App tab, then swiping it up, and then relaunch it again, and reopen it after a few seconds. Temporary bugs often disappear after a restart. You can also update the Amazon app. Outdated versions can cause errors. So you're gonna go to the App Store or Google Play Store, just like this, and you're gonna go to the Amazon Shopping app, and there you're gonna look for an update. If an update is available, you're gonna click on the updates button and install any available updates. Then you're gonna relaunch the app again and see if it works. If it doesn't, you're gonna try to restart your phone. If the app's still not working, you're gonna hold the power button on your phone until you see the restart option. Once you see it, you're gonna click on restart, then restart your phone and wait 30 seconds and turn it back on, and this refreshes the system's process. Or if nothing works, just reinstall the app by uninstalling it and reinstalling it from the Play Store. Now, when the Amazon Shopping app is not working, the problem is usually temporary and easy to fix. Updating, restarting, or reinstalling the app solves most issues quickly, so you can get back to shopping without stress. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.